Hi, my name is Brian. I'm a web and graphics specialist, and today I'm going to show you how to do neon lettering in GIMP. So I have GIMP opened up with a file that has some text that says neon lights on a black background, and I'm going to turn this text into neon lettering. So in order to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is click on the neon lettering layer, my text layer, and click on Path from Text. That will turn that text into a path, which I can view in my Paths tab right here. Now that this path is created, I no longer need this text, so I'll click on that and delete it by clicking on this trash can icon right here. Now, within my Paths tab, I can double-click on the neon lettering path that was just created, and that will actually make a path selection of the text. Then I will click on Selection from Path in order to turn that path into a selection that I can manipulate. I'll go back into the Layers tab, create a new layer, and then within that layer, I'm going to name this layer Outer Glow by double-clicking on the name and typing in whatever I want. I'm going to select that layer, and I'm going to click on Grow to make it a little bit wider than the actual selection itself. I'm going to leave it at 5 and hit OK. And then I'm going to fill that selection with a bright green. I'm going to double-click on my foreground color and select a green here, hit OK. And then click on this Fill Bucket tool and fill in that selection. Then I'm going to deselect this entire thing by hitting Control-Shift-A to deselect that layer. Now I'm going to give this layer a Gaussian blur by going into Filters, Blur, Gaussian Blur. And this will pop up this Gaussian blur box, which I will set to 25, and then hit OK. Now I'm going to move the opacity of this layer down to 75 just to make it a little bit more neon-y. And now I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to call it Tube. So I'll click on the New Layer button right here, hit OK, label it Tube. And for this, I'm going to use my path again. Double-click on that to make a path, and then click on Selection from Path. And I am going to fill that with white. So I'll double-click on here, move this to white, go into my Paint Bucket tool, fill that with white. And then I'm going to put another blur on this layer, Gaussian blur, by going to Filters, and then Blur, and then Gaussian blur. And I'm going to set that blur to, let's make it 2. And hit OK. And then I'll deselect that by hitting Control-Shift-A. And that's it. That's basically how you turn your text into neon lettering. My name is Brian, and thanks for watching.